Have you heard of the new mask-related problem that has strolled into town? Mask mouth. This is a new oral health problem caused by wearing a mask all the time since the mask wearing mandate was introduced due to the pandemic. This is Dentist Chinwag with Amaka Igwatu. I am a dentist with over 15 years experience, and today I'll be talking about mask mouth. I'll be telling you what mask mouth is, what the symptoms are, and how you can prevent this problem. What is mask mouth? Basically, this refers to the state of our oral health since the mask wearing mandate began. Wearing a face mask tends to encourage mouth breathing, which causes dryness of the mouth. If you remember from my previous video, I did mention that saliva is our body's natural mouth cleaner, and it is important for the maintenance and protection of your teeth against bacteria. What are the symptoms of mask mouth? The symptoms can include dry mouth, stained teeth, bad breath, and bleeding gums. What can be done to mitigate mask mouth? First, be sure to drink water frequently. Aim for a minimum of 8 glasses of water daily. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks to maintain the mouth's neutral pH and optimize saliva levels. Secondly, maintain adequate home care using good quality toothbrush, fluoride toothpaste, floss, and tongue cleaner. My advice to you will be to keep aside 5 minutes in the morning and at lunchtime to ensure you are able to floss before putting your masks on, especially after meals. Finally, always ensure your mask is clean every time you wear it to avoid bacteria festering. Now you want to ask, is the face mask causing your bad breath? Probably not, because when you're wearing a face mask, you are more aware of a bad breath. In other words, if you smell it when you wear it, this means that your home care practices may be inadequate. This is my message to everyone. Wearing a mask is one of the effective tools at stopping the spread of COVID-19. You will be pleased to know that there is no evidence yet that wearing a face mask causes or worsens dental problems. When wearing a face mask, you may notice your breath a lot more. The good news is you can actually fix this by making sure your mouth is clean and cared for. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, put your questions in the comment section. If you know anyone who would benefit from this video, please share with them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.